flying in the way right now.
If it comes through that fence, he'll be ruined.
I don't know. He's on the other side. He's coming around that big guy and stuff. Keep going down the front. Walking down the front. Keep moving on down the front. I think he does.
Is he under?
I don't know. I can't tell. Looks like he's walking over. What if he's coming over there and getting around?
I think he's under.
Yeah, he's right there. He's probably right. He's on. He might be under. He's coming over.
He's coming. There he is. He's coming. He's going to your right.